Stop drawing lines on your phone screen and hoping for price to bounce. Today I'm showing you how to read market storyline only of smartphone. This is a strategy which bridges gap between basic retail and smart money concepts. Let's map the market. MSNR stands for Malaysian Support and Resistance. The big difference, we ignore the wicks. We mark our zones based on candle close because that represents where the market actually closed. So I'll be showing you on the phone. Okay, so this is, let's see. So how we mark is like there are two things, A level and there is a V level. A level is formed with a buy and sell candle, and the V level is formed by a sell and a buy candle. Okay, and there are few things to note. There is an unfresh level and there is a fresh level. So what I'll show you is, let's see, this is a buy candle and then sell candle. We ignore the wicks, we just mark this thing, and this is called A level. And similar to, we go down, like let's go over here, and there is similar to level. This is called a V level because there's a buy candle and then a there's a sell candle and then there's a buy candle. So now we'll head on to fresh and unfresh. Fresh levels, what do I mean is like this kind of levels where price never touched. Okay, even we can use it. If price comes here, we can definitely use it, but what happens is like similar, this one is also a fresh level, okay, in this case. But let's suppose in this case, why price, you might ask, right? Like why price went down? Similar, there was a level, you can mark this level, but price already rejected from this, already tested and then already went up. So that's why even the price comes back over here, still that went down. So that's an unfresh level. So this is how we decide if the market's gonna go down or not. So in this case, let's go. This is a daily level, right? Like daily level. So we mark this fresh level over here. Price touch, good. Now we go on maybe a lower time frame. Let's go for H4, like whatever time frame I already told you all guys. So this time frame, okay, so you can reject it from here, so we could have entered from here for this sell. So that's how we mark A levels, V levels, fresh and unfresh levels. Okay, here's the 3-step mobile workflow. What we'll be doing is, let's normally we go on daily. You can see like price, we need price to kind of reject from here somewhere. So let's see, let's mark this candle over here. Price comes, touched it, and then after that, like after the price touched, we can just go maybe a daily. For the daily, we can go H4 or H1. Yeah, after the price tapped over here, you can see, right? Then we can look for some kind of A level to, some kind of V level to buy. So you can see over here, this was a V level again. Then price comes back. See again, the price didn't break or the candle didn't close below this, so it means price is respecting that level and price needs to go up. So we can start buying over here in this for your whatever entry you can use, and go for the buys over here. You can aim like for basics, like aim for 1:1 first, and then as you journal on your way, like you can increase. Okay, so for the beginners, just to go for 1:1. Okay, so then next we'll be looking as MSNR works on your mobile because it's very simple, few lines to drop, and then when the price taps, you can just go for an entry. You don't need to look, oh, this liquidity, oh, that level, oh, random things, so many stuffs to draw. So like there are not many things to draw on MSNR. Okay, so again, if you want to learn this thing, you can DM me on Telegram. You can also comment down on which topic should I make the video next. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye for now.